everybody. How's everybody doing? What are you doing? I'm come to the crowd. I'm come to everybody around here. I'm doing some work right now. I don't have time to talk right now. How y'all doing, everybody? Don't bother me. Don't bother me. Just go do what you're doing. I tell you, I want to let you know, brother, if you don't ever give up, once you give up, you'll never win. You gotta stop winning. You gotta stop winning. The way to win is never give up. Like the great cardiologist, Dr. Keisha Walker said, never give up. Day when I give up is day you give up. That's why you will never give up again. So don't you give up. These are my words. This is my bond until we meet again. I tell you what, there's a great words from the great cardiologist, Keisha Walker. Don't never give up. never give up. That's a good word there. Never give up. Never give up. No, you don't do it. Don't you do it. Don't do it.